Here I have POCO M3 Pro 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to set this device up. So firstly, you have to pick language, so let's select English, so we can understand whatever is written on the screen. Then tap next. Then you have to select your region. You can stay with Poland, but you can select other region too. Then you have to agree with Google's, Xiaomi's agreements, privacy policy and whatever. Tap next. Then you can connect SIM card, but if you don't have any SIM card on you can just skip this step for now and connect SIM card anytime later. Then you can connect to the Wi-Fi, but if you don't have any open Wi-Fi network, you can skip this step too. Then you have Google services. I suggest you to disable all this stuff because it's just going to steal your data and install some trackers on your device. So no Google for me and for you too, my suggestion. But in any case, you have to accept Google's terms of service and privacy policy. Then you can set up your lock screen, or you can add fingerprint, but you can also skip this step for now and do this anytime later in settings. Then you have these additional settings. I suggest you to disable all these too, and your device is ready to be used. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.